TV license officials terrorizing over 75s as man with Alzheimer's confronted at home. For people around the world, the BBC is funded by a television license fee that people are told they have to pay. Not just to watch the BBC, but if they watch any channel. And so what happened before is that people over 75 were allowed not to have to buy the license. Then the BBC changed that. And TV license officials are terrorizing over 75s who've been stripped of free licenses. Letters sent by Capita, this is the company the BBC employs to enforce this fee, the firm that enforces the in-license system, to people who have not paid up, say another probe, is underway and a visit has been authorized, accompanied by threats of a £1,000 fine. And so they have been seeking to frighten people already reeling from the cost of living crisis, which is becoming more and more challenging. Now, I don't pay the TV license because I will not fund a BBC that is lying to me systematically. But then I don't watch television anyway because it's all bloody nonsense. I don't watch any of it. And I've been getting letters from Capita, I guess, telling me that all this was going to happen and someone's going to visit and all that stuff and get a fine. And because I can now see from the envelope that it's from them, that you kind of do that, and then you throw it in the bin, and you wait for the next one, and they just get longer and longer apart. And the irony is, they are spending all that money to threaten me, and I don't watch television, so they're pursuing me for something that I'm actually not doing illegally. I would have great pleasure, I guess, in inviting them in and see what a time they have wasted. But the thing is not to let them in under any circumstances. Because as I understand it, unless they've got a court order, they can't enter your house at all. And not to let them in at all. But if they did get in, I mean, okay, so prove I watched the TV. Well, you can't. So, okay, bye. But, you know, I don't give a damn. But, you know, many people are intimidated. And they do use intimidating tactics. And they only work if you are intimidated. And that's the challenge that we all have, not to be intimidated by authority, because that's its weapon of control.